screen, please. Anything else doing noise.
And it's been doing this since I first got it.
Don't.
Do anybody else have this problem? I basically have to unplug it from the bottom. See it stop.
Just don't.
And I have to plug it back in. Be quiet. Okay. And I'll turn it back on.
Back on.
And then it works fine. Every once in a while, maybe in the next 2 or 3 days, it'll do it again.
Everything.